Let me tell you something that might frustrate you. Your problem probably isn't your workout. It's not your split. It's not your exercises. It's not your genetics. It's the small things you ignore every single day. Because here's what most people do. They program hop, new routine every month, new exercises, new supplements, new perfect plan, but their body never changes. Meanwhile, someone else trains pretty basic, nothing fancy, but they look better every year. Why? Because progress in fitness isn't built on big changes. It's built on small habits, repeated daily, invisible habits, the stuff nobody talks about. And today, I'm going to show you the 7 small habits that quietly double your results without training more, without killing yourself in the gym. Let's start. Most people overestimate workouts and underestimate lifestyle. They think this new program will fix everything. But muscle growth doesn't happen during that 1 hour in the gym. It happens during the other 23 hours. If those 23 hours suck, your results suck. Simple. So instead of asking, what's the best workout? You should ask, what am I doing every single day? Because daily habits beat perfect programs, always. These next 7 habits look small, almost boring. But if you actually do them consistently, your progress will explode. Habit 1. Sleep like an athlete. If you sleep 5 to 6 hours, stop expecting muscle growth. Seriously. Explanation. Muscle isn't built during training. Training is just the signal. Sleep is when growth actually happens. During deep sleep, growth hormone spikes, testosterone improves, muscle protein synthesis increases, fat loss improves, recovery accelerates. So if you cut sleep, you literally cut gains. And no supplement can fix that. None. Practical. 7 to 9 hours. Dark room, cool temperature. No phone late. Consistent schedule. This alone can change your physique. Habit 2. Hit protein every day, not sometimes. You don't need perfect meals. You need consistent protein. Explanation. Most people eat high protein 3 days a week, then low protein the rest. That averages out to mediocre. Muscle growth needs a constant supply of amino acids, daily, not randomly, because inconsistency equals slower growth. Practical. 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram body weight, split across 3 to 5 meals. Simple, no magic, just consistency. Habit 3. Walk more. NEAT is underrated. This might surprise you, but walking more can improve your physique more than extra cardio. Explanation. Your daily movement, steps, walking, being active, controls fat gain, recovery, insulin sensitivity, appetite, energy levels. If you sit all day, your metabolism slows and your body becomes lazy. But active people stay lean naturally, even during bulks. Practical. 8 to 10,000 steps daily. Walk after meals. Phone calls to walk. Small changes, huge impact. Invisible gains. Habit 4. Train close to failure. Be honest. Most people don't train hard enough. They just train long. Explanation. Muscle growth happens near failure, not 10 reps away. Not comfortable. If every set feels easy, nothing changes. Intensity matters more than volume. 10 hard sets beat 20 lazy ones. Every time. Practical. End most sets with 0 to 2 reps in reserve. Track performance, push safely, but honestly, habit 5, track your lifts. If you don't track, you're guessing, and guessing doesn't build muscle. Explanation. Progressive overload is everything. But how do you overload if you don't know what you did last week? Memory lies. Data doesn't. Stronger equals bigger. So strength increases must be tracked. Always. Practical. Notebook or app, weight, representatives, sets, that's it. Simple, powerful. Habit 6. Eat mostly whole foods. You don't need a perfect diet, just fewer stupid calories. Explanation. Liquid calories, snacks, processed foods, these destroy hunger control and make bulking sloppy and cutting miserable. Whole foods naturally control appetite, improve digestion, improve energy, improve recovery, which means better training, better results, without even trying. Practical. 80% whole foods, 20% flexible, sustainable, forever. Habit 7. Stop program hopping. This might be the biggest mistake of all. Explanation. Every time you change programs, you reset progress. New exercises, new loads, new learning curve, no progression. Muscle needs repeated stimulus. Weeks, months, not days. Consistency beats novelty, always. The best program, the one you stick to. Here's the funny part. None of these habits are sexy, none are hacks, none are revolutionary, but together they change everything. Sleep well, eat protein, walk more, train hard, track lifts, eat real food, stay consistent. Do this for 6 to 12 months. Your body will look completely different. Not because of some magic routine, but because you finally fixed the invisible stuff. Stop searching for the perfect workout. Start fixing your daily habits, because small actions, repeated daily, create massive results. If If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to put the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and tell me in the comments which habit you need to improve first. And I'll see you in the next one.